Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a video of moving photo collages in the CapCut mobile. So first, you just need to add your photo collage to CapCut like this. Now change the ratio into 1:1 or square. Click on the check icon. Now zoom the picture until it fits the screen like this. Okay. And after that, move the picture like this until the upper photo is shown. Okay, and add a keyframe at the start. And now drag the photo like this. So move it until here, for example, and move the photo up. Okay, it's done like this. So now the photo will be moved. Now I'm going to trim it until here. Okay, and after that, just export it and later open it in a new project. So this is the project that I've been saved before, and after that, just go to video effect, click on lens, and add the FPS like effect. Okay, let's try to find the effect. Where is it? FPS like. Okay, this one. Adjust the speed to around 34. Click on the check icon, and now add another video effect. Add the distortion, ripple distortion under the distortion category. Add this ripple distortion effect and adjust it like this. So sharpen 0, the blur 34, size 12, and the speed just leave it as it is, intensity 23. Okay, just click on the check icon and this will be the result. So this is how you can create a moving photo collage. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.